So you're looking for an alternative because you haven't got a webcam. Well, I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into this today. Now I'm going to show you where we find the software on the internet. So I put a link down below as always, but it is called iVCam. So all you need to do is go on the website and download this onto your PC, and then you're pretty much good to go from that side of things. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to go onto the phone, because there is some settings. I'm going to highlight it in the bottom. There is some settings that we need to actually do. So what I'm going to do really quickly, we're just going to unplug this. We are going to go onto the phone. So the first thing we need to do, as you can see on the phone, we're on the phone now. You need to go down into system. Then the next thing you need to do is go on about phone, and then you need to click the build number 7 times. Now this will give you developer options. The reason why we are doing this is because currently the software is only working off our Wi-Fi, and we want to cancel that out, and we just want to make it run through USB, so we don't have to use Wi-Fi, we're not eating into his data and so forth. So what you need to do here, you need to click on the build number, and you need to pretty much click it 7 times or a bit more until it comes up and says you are now a developer. Now what we do, we back out of here, we go down to the developer options, and the first thing we need to do is see what the USB is actually doing on the phone. So we need to plug it back in, and then once we've plugged it back in, it'll say charge only. So we know it's charging only at the moment, so we're going to scroll down to find the USB settings for that. So we'll keep going. It is select USB configuration. So what we need to do now, guys, is we need to go onto immediate transfer protocol, click that, and then we scroll back up, and then the next thing we need to do is actually click USB debugging. Now press OK, and now once that is done, on the phone at the top of the notification section you will see like a little USB prong. That means that it has worked correctly. Is we're going to come out of the phone, we are going to go into our VCam. Currently you can see it's trying to connect, so it's trying to find a Wi-Fi connection, but we're not doing it through Wi-Fi anymore, we're doing it straight through the USB. So all we do now is click on VCam, we'll let it do its magic, and there we are, guys. We are in inception mode. Let's turn it around the other way so you can see me. So there we are, guys. That is my beautiful kitchen workstation, but that's how it works. There is one downfall to it, the watermark will still be present, but an easier solution is to crop that out. You can do that with the OBS tools, and you can also use it in Zoom as well, and that will automatically crop it out. So to turn your phone into a high quality webcam, I can't recommend this enough. So guys, that's really quickly how you turn your phone into a webcam. Pretty straightforward and simple, and it costs you absolutely nothing. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, guys. We have got various other videos down below now for different tutorials on streaming such as OBS and noise suppression, so go and check them out as well. As I say, I will be doing a lot more things on the channel like this, and if you could, guys, please like this video. That's all I would ask of you, and if you've got any comments or problems, put them down below as always. And until next time, guys, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.